Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Romantic Rose. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Anita Ruggiera. I have, for my Patreon members, a benefit for them whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit photos, I select some of them, turn them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I'll send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this video, learning how you could submit your photos to me to turn into a tutorial, and or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of other painting benefits that you get to use to enhance your painting and creative skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful romantic rose on some brick steps. And I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.